everyone, it's Wendy. So I just wanted to show you so far. We got this not coffee cart, but it was a baby changing table from the thrift shop. It was $24. We sanded it down. I sanded it down, painted it black. What I did was I've added some fabric. I Mod Podged fabric on here. This is called Ants at a Picnic. You can see there's little ants on there. It's really cute. And then I put the Pioneer Woman mugs. I like the ones with the roses. The red ones, they're just so pretty. With the mug stand, and then I have the little creamer, a couple of coasters. I have more down below. And then this sign right here, I just wrote on it Coffee and Cocoa. I got this sign from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this little like replica vintage sign I put up. And then the personal Keurig right here. And then this is the Pioneer Woman where you can store the K-Cups or whatever you want in there. I just put the K-Cups in there. What I did was I went to the dollar store and I got this black table runner for $1. So I put it on top and then just put these doilies here. I do have the storage at the bottom. I put the Basset Hound cookie jar and then another jar. And I got this mat from Wayfair. I don't remember the price. I think it was like $35. And then what I did was I brought in the bistro set from outside. I had it outside for a while, but I brought it in. We do have, we're actually standing in the Arizona room out here where we decided to enclose it and add windows and whatnot. So I put the bistro set here so we could have our coffee. And with a rug that I got from Wayfair, then I added this fake plant. So it's sort of like a little coffee shop area, or you could call it a cafe bistro area. I'm not quite done with it yet, but this is what it is so far. And that's it. Talk to you later.